3 p.m. The vending machine is calling. You tear it open. Inside, not food, a bomb. Your blood sugar goes from 95 to 240 in 90 seconds. But what if the snack in your drawer was a shield? Your pancreas is pumping on fumes. Your beta cells are screaming. And the chip bag, it just declared war. But the text said seed-bearing plants, fruit trees, provision, not vending machine poison. God didn't design the 3 p.m. crash. Daniel said no to the palace snack table. 10 days later, he was stronger. The provision was simple. The result was visible. 7 snacks, 7 shields. From the drawer, not the drive-thru, the 3 p.m. crash becomes the 3 p.m. defense. This is the complete protocol. Every bite a barricade, every crunch a defense. Faith plus science. Chapter 1. The Magnesium Wall. Mixed nuts, almonds and cashews, 1 ounce. The magnesium wall, 12 grams of healthy fat, 6 grams of protein, 3.5 grams of fiber, the Trinity. Magnesium directly supports insulin function. It docks on the receptor and turns the rusted lock smooth. The key clicks. Fat slows, protein blocks, fiber web catches. The triple wall. Any glucose that follows, it crawls. Keep it to 1 ounce, 28 grams. The wall is strong, but the wall can be climbed if you overeat. Same 3 p.m., different drawer. The magnesium wall was shelled. Chapter 2. The slow drip. Cottage cheese. High casein protein. It doesn't rush. It drips, like an IV bag for your muscles. The gel digests slowly. Amino acids drip into your blood, steady. No spike, no crash, for hours. 14 grams of protein per half cup. Minimal carbs. The meter stays flat. The hunger stays gone. Same afternoon, different speed. The slow drip was curdled. Chapter 3. The Glycemic Load Thief. Celery with peanut butter. The celery is nearly 0 carb. The peanut butter? Fat and protein armor. Together, they steal the glycemic load. The celery hydrates like a water tower. The peanut butter coats your gut like a fat blanket. The next meal's carbs? They hit the blanket and slow down. This snack actually lowers the glycemic load of your next meal. It steals the spike before it forms. 3 p.m. crunch spread. The load thief was crunchy. Chapter 4. The premeal wall. Boiled egg. Portable perfection. 0 carbs. 6 grams of protein. The original grab-and-go shield. Studies show a boiled egg before a high-carb meal reduces post-meal glucose spike by up to 40%. The egg builds the wall before the enemy arrives. Prep ahead. Grab at 3. The wall is already built. Same meal, different order. The pre-meal wall was peeled. Chapter 5. The green butter. Avocado. Half, monounsaturated fats, fiber. The green butter that raises your good cholesterol and lowers your blood pressure. The fat coats your cell membranes. They become more responsive to insulin. HDL rises. Blood pressure drops. The green butter lubricates the system. Half an avocado. A pinch of sea salt. 0 carb satisfaction. The meter is happy. The hunger is gone. Same craving. Different green. The butter was sliced. Chapter 6. The crunch replacement. Cucumber. Nearly calorie-free. Hydrating. Crunchy. The chip imposter that actually helps. Add hummus. Protein and healthy fat from the chickpea. Now the crunch carries a shield. Same crunch. Different chemistry. The chip replacement hydrates while it satisfies. Same couch. Different snack. The crunch replacement was sliced. Chapter 7. The Triple Crown. Greek yogurt with chia and berries. The Triple Crown. Probiotics. Fiber. Antioxidants. 1 bowl. 1 army. The chia explodes into gel inside the yogurt. Probiotics colonize your gut wall. Good bacteria multiply. Bad bacteria die. The microbiome becomes an ally. Berry antioxidants flood your blood. They shield your beta cells from oxidative attack. The factory stays intact. Fiber, protein, antioxidants. All three hit the receptor at once. The triple lock turns green, the meter flatlines. 3 p.m., 1 bowl. The Triple Crown satisfies the gut, shields the brain, and guards the meter. Same 3 p.m., different throne. The Triple Crown was crowned. 7 snacks. The 3 p.m. shield wall. Nuts for magnesium. Cottage cheese for slow drip. Celery and peanut butter for load theft. Eggs for premeal walls. Avocado for green butter. Cucumber for crunch replacement. Greek yogurt with chia and berries for the Triple Crown. The crash becomes the defense. The vending machine becomes the drawer. The spike becomes the shield. Same 3 p.m., different provision. The drawer was always the pharmacy. Get the full Faith Plus Science protocol at bootdiabetics.com. Download the free 7 Snacks Quick Reference. Link in description. Join the community. Thousands defending their 3 p.m. By his stripes, by the snack drawer, we are healed. 7 snacks, 1 protocol. Taste and see your 3 p.m. shield.